Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we are going to discuss how to design expressions using the date difference function in the reporting grid. So, let's get started. First, navigate to the reporting section and open the sales register detailed report. Go to Setup Column Attributes to proceed with adding the expression. Before proceeding, we need to make a small change in the configuration. Go to Other Settings and here, set the script editor to VBScript for better performance. By default, whenever you create a new configuration, the script window is set to VBScript. However, if it is not set by default, you can manually go to Other Settings and change it to VBScript. Refresh the report. Once you have saved the configuration, return to the Setup Column Attributes section and click on Add or Edit Expression columns to proceed. Make sure to begin the script with the required keyword at the top, single quotes #L script. This should always be included at the beginning of the script. To define a new expression, simply click on the Add Expression button indicated by the plus sign. Enter the expression name and select the appropriate type, either text or numeric, depending on the nature of the expression. Then, double-click the newly created expression to insert it into the script editor. Begin the expression with the date diff keyword, followed by an opening bracket. Within this function, specify the interval using double quotes, for example, D for days, M for months, Y for years, and so on. After that, add a comma and use the CDate function to convert the string into a proper date format. Open the brackets for CDate, search for and insert the bill date field from the available columns, and then close the brackets. Next, add a comma and type now to use the current date, then close the brackets to complete the date diff function. Once the expression is fully defined, save it. Scroll down, check the box to enable the column, and view the result in the report. Finally, refresh the report. Based on the defined formula, the expression column will display the difference in days between the current date and the bill date. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.